So students, in my last video I told you an activity to find out the HCF. Now let us learn few methods. Our first method is understanding HCF by listing factor. So let us take a question. Here we have to find out the HCF of two numbers 24 and 72 by listing factors. So let us list up the factor of number 24 first. The factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. Similarly, the factors of 72 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 12, 18, 24, 36 and 72. Now next we have to find out their common factors. So the common factors are all those which are in red color, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. So out of these common factors, the highest number is 24. So the HCF is 24. In this way you can find out the HCF of any two numbers. For that, first of all you have to list up their factors and then find out the common factors. Let us take one more example. Here we will find out the HCF of numbers 45 and 81. Let us write the factors of 45. That's 1, 3, 5, 9, 15 and 45. Similarly, factors of 81 are 1, 3, 9, 27 and 81. The common factors are 1, 3, 9, out of which 9 is the greatest. So HCF is 9. In this way you can find out the HCF by listing factor. We have one more method to find out the HCF of two numbers, that is prime factor method. So let us see how to find out the HCF with the help of prime factorization. Here I have taken two numbers 24 and 36. We have to find the prime factors of both these methods. We will use the upside down division method. Let us start by finding the factors of 24. Keep in mind, here we have to take only prime numbers. As you know, 24 is an even number and it can be divided by 2. So we will start dividing it by 2 and write down the quotient downside 24. As you know that 12 2s is 24 and remainder is 0. Now next we see that 12 can again be divided by 2 because 6 times 2 is 12. So you can write in this way. 6 will be written downside 12. Again we will divide 6 by 2 and we get 3 as the quotient. Here note down that 3 is a prime number, so no need to go further. This method is also called as L method. So you can note down all the prime factors received in the L shape. So 24 can be written as 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3. In the same way you have to find out the prime factors of number 36. So how we can do it? You can try it out in your rough notebook also. Let me see if you are doing. So let's start it here also. As 36 is also an even number, so let's divide it by 2. The quotient is 18, which is again divisible by 2. Quotient is 9, which cannot be divided by 2 because 9 is an odd number. So let's try it out by the next prime number, that is 3. 9 is divisible by 3. That is 3 3s are 9. So we write the quotient 3 downside. Again we received a prime number at the end, so we stop the process here only. Now we write down all the factors as received in the L shape. So 36 is equal to 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 3. Now we have written all the prime factors of both the numbers. Now next question is how to find their HCF. As HCF means highest common factor. So our next job is to find out the common factors. Let's start, circle them. So first common factor is 2, let's write it down. Next common factor is 2 again, write it down. And the one more common factor is 3. So let's multiply all the common factors received over here. After multiplying all the common factors, we will get the answer as our HCF. So the HCF of number 24 and 36 is 2 2s are 4, 3s are 12. So HCF of these two numbers 24 and 36 is 12. This is the method of finding the HCF by prime factorization method. So here I am giving you a question. You can also try it out by using the prime factors method or the one or listing factor methods. Thank you. Have a nice day.